Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Nutribullet Prime is probably one of the most popular blenders on the market, and for good reason. It's designed to help you create delicious and nutritious smoothies, juices, and other healthy drinks with ease. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just looking for a convenient way to boost your daily nutrient intake, the Nutribullet Prime could be a great choice for you. Number 5. Nutribullet NBR-0601WM Personal Blender. This is the original Nutribullet, designed to help you embrace a healthier lifestyle. It's the perfect tool to kickstart your wellness journey and make nutritious choices a breeze. Effortlessly blend your favorite fruits, vegetables, and liquids into delicious smoothies. This blender helps you quickly and easily deliver essential nutrients to your body. With 600 watts of power, this blender can turn anything from strawberries to spinach into smooth, drinkable nutrition. It's designed to handle a variety of ingredients with ease. The simple, intuitive design makes this a device you'll use every day. Just push, twist, and blend. It's that easy to create healthy and delicious drinks. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the dishwasher. It's health without the hassle. The package includes a 600W motor base, extractor blade, 24-ounce cup, to-go lid, lip ring, and a recipe book. Everything you need to get started is right here. What we like. This original model offers a straightforward approach to healthy living. It's incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for those new to blending. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss way to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet, this is a great choice. What people say. It has a lot of strength. In less than 2 minutes it crops all the fruits. Easy to clean and use. Just twist it and it start running. It's small and fit anywhere. This blender is powerful and durable, and you can get replacement parts for it like gaskets and blades. It's powerful, and blends very quickly. It's also easy to clean and lasts for years, even with frequent use. Number 4. Nutribullet Pro 900W Blender, Champagne. Introducing the Nutribullet Pro. This compact powerhouse boasts 900 watts of power, turning your favorite fruits and veggies into smooth, delicious nutrition. It's the perfect way to fuel your busy day. The Nutribullet Pro features a simple, intuitive design. Just push, twist, and blend. It's that easy to incorporate healthy habits into your daily routine. Get your daily dose of nutrients in under a minute. This blender helps you create quick and healthy smoothies, even when you're on the go. It's a convenient way to stay healthy. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply rinse the blades with soap and water, and the cups are dishwasher safe. It makes healthy living easy and hassle-free. The blades are designed for nutrition extraction, maximizing the benefits of every ingredient. This ensures you get the most out of your fruits and vegetables. It transforms ordinary food into superfood. The Nutribullet Pro includes a power base, cross blade, 2 24-ounce mugs, sippy lids, lip rings, and more. Everything you need to start blending is included. It's a complete system for your health. What we like. The Pro model boosts the power, delivering faster and more efficient blending. The blades are designed for nutrition extraction, which makes ordinary food into superfood. If you're always on the go and need quick, nutrient-packed smoothies, this is the one for you. What people say. The Personal Blender is used for quick blending of greens which ready to drink in seconds. The oomph of the motor really does the job and my smoothie blending time has been cut in half. With 900 watts of power, it blends fruits, vegetables, and even tougher ingredients like nuts and seeds into smooth, creamy smoothies in under a minute. Number 3. Nutribullet NBR-0601WM Blender Combo 1200W, Dark Gray. Introducing the Nutribullet Blender Combo. This powerful blender takes your nutrition to the next level. It offers both single-serving cups and a large capacity pitcher, giving you options for any need. With 1,200 watts of power, this blender can handle anything. It's perfect for smoothies, soups, sauces, and even nut butters. The extraction technology ensures you get the most out of your ingredients. Whether you want a single serving or multiple, this blender has you covered. Use the 64-ounce pitcher for larger batches or the Nutribullet cups for on-the-go convenience. It's all about options. Cleaning is a breeze with this blender. The pitchers and cups are made from durable, high-performance plastic and are dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. The blades, cups, and pitcher work together for optimal nutrient extraction. It transforms ordinary food into superfood. Get the most out of every ingredient with this innovative design. The package includes a 1200W motor base, a 64-ounce blender pitcher with lid and vented lid cap, a tamper, a 32-ounce cup, a 24-ounce cup, 2 to-go lids, an easy twist extractor blade, and a recipe book. It also comes with a 1-year limited warranty. What we like? This blender combo offers versatility with both single-serve cups and a large pitcher. It has multiple speeds and a pulse function. If you need to make smoothies for yourself or the whole family, this blender gives you the flexibility you need. What people say. I have not experienced the issue of liquid leaking while blending. I guess because the motor, on the 1200-watt unit, is powerful, it easily whips up smoothies with ice in a matter of seconds. It blends ice that my freezer makes smoothly with no chunks. Number 2. Nutribullet Pro Plus 1200W Personal Blender, Black. Introducing the Nutribullet Pro Plus 1200W, a personal blender designed for ultimate performance. It's equipped with a powerful motor to handle all your blending needs. This blender boasts a robust 1200-watt motor. It effortlessly pulverizes fruits, vegetables, and more, ensuring smooth and delicious results every time. Featuring a pre-programmed pulse cycle with automatic shut-off, it simplifies the blending process. This feature ensures optimal extraction and prevents overprocessing. The auto-off function allows you to set it and forget it. This feature provides hands-free operation and ensures the perfect consistency for your blends. It comes with a range of accessories, including cups, blades, and lids. Everything you need is included to create your favorite smoothies and drinks. What we like? This model has a pulse cycle with automatic shut-off. This feature ensures optimal extraction. If you like the convenience of hands-free operation and want precise control over your blending, you'll love this one. What people say. It effortlessly made the smoothest smoothie I have ever had. The extractor blades and operating power are a definite upgrade from the older model. This new Nutribullet has many improvements that are terrific. Firstly, I ordered the 1200-watt version and the difference in power is very clear. Secondly, this newer version has a pulse feature that also results in a delay at the start when the cup is locked down, a seemingly unnecessary factor, except that is great too. Additionally, the blades are now turned up at a steeper angle which delivers a much faster chopping and grinding action as far as I can tell. It's 1200 watts and literally takes less than 10 seconds to blend a frappuccino. It handles chunks, not little pieces, of ice like a boss. It only takes about 15 to 20 seconds to fully blend a smoothie. I use frozen pineapple, frozen cherries, frozen banana chunks, with 0 chunks. Smooth as silk. Number 1. Nutribullet RX Blender, 1700W, hot and cold. This powerful blender is designed for optimum nutrient extraction. It's easy to use, just add your ingredients and let it work its magic. It starts, blends, and stops automatically. This blender can handle almost anything. Make smoothies for the whole family or create warm soups and sauces. It's perfect for using fresh, nutritious ingredients. It comes with an extractor blade, a cup with a handle, a pitcher with a lid, and more. You'll also find a lip ring, stay fresh lids, and cleaning tools. Everything you need is included. The stainless steel extractor blades use cyclonic action to break down tough ingredients. The high-performance, BPA-free plastic cups are built to last. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply rinse the blade with soap and water, and put the cups and lids in the dishwasher. It's designed for your convenience. This product comes with a 1-year limited warranty. It's built to North American and Canadian electrical standards. Be sure to refer to the user manual before use. What we like? The RX model is designed for optimum nutrient extraction. It can handle hot liquids, allowing you to make soups and sauces. If you enjoy warm soups and want to expand your blending possibilities beyond smoothies, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It works great. It has enough power to handle the frozen ingredients and I really like the way it blends for 1 minute at a time. It is powerful, very powerful, much more than the Vitamix S50. Fruits are pulverized. No pieces left. Higher motor rating compared to many other models. Intelligent start-stop function rather than the manual options. Most of all, the soup maker option, which allows the user to make cold and room temperature shakes and smoothies, as well as hot soups. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.